In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with Google Sheets. Starting off, why would you even want to do this? Well, imagine every time someone fills out a form you've created with Jotform, their responses are neatly organized and instantly available in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. That's a game changer for event planning, survey gathering, or any scenario where real-time data collection and organization matter. Let's dive right in. First up, you want to head to the Jotform website. It's a fantastic tool for creating online forms for virtually any purpose under the sun. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with the option to log in. Go ahead and click on that login button. Now, Jotform offers a variety of ways to log in, reflecting the diverse web ecosystem we navigate daily. For simplicity's sake, I'll walk you through logging in with Google, but remember, if you've linked Jotform to another platform, the steps should be fairly similar. After you've successfully logged in, you're ready to dive into the heart of today's tutorial. Navigate to My Forms on Jotform. This is where all your creative efforts are stored. Find a form you want to integrate with Google Sheets and click on Edit Form. This option immediately transports you to the back end of the form where the magic happens. With your form open, look for the Settings tab. This area is the command center for controlling how your form behaves. In the Settings menu, you'll find an option labeled Integrations. This is where Jotform keeps its treasure trove of third-party connections that can power up your forms in ways you've probably never imagined. As you can probably guess, our next step is to click on Google Sheets. It's almost like telling Jotform, hey, I want Google Sheets to be the cool friend that gets all my forms output. The process from here is straightforward but crucial. Select the option to Create New Spreadsheet. This is your green light telling Jotform, yes, go ahead and start a brand new spreadsheet for this form's data. After that, you're prompted to click Next, which is basically the universe's way of asking, are you sure you're ready for this awesomeness? Of course you are. Then comes the part where a bit of commitment is required. You'll be asked to authenticate. This means giving Jotform the nod to access your Google Sheets. It's a necessary step to ensure your data flows smoothly from the form to the spreadsheet. Choose your Google account to finalize this integration. It's essential to pick an account that you use for work or wherever you intend to manage the data. This part is like handing over the keys to your digital house, so Jotform can come in and set everything up. And there you have it. You've just connected Jotform to Google Sheets. From now on, every time someone fills out that form, their responses will be automatically sent to a Google Sheet. This not only saves you time by eliminating the need for manual data entry, but also opens up a world of possibilities for analyzing and sharing data. Remember, integrating Jotform with Google Sheets doesn't end here. Play around with it, get to know the ins and outs. The more you use it, the more you'll discover how this simple integration can be a powerful tool in your workflow. That's it for today's tutorial. You're now well equipped to link Jotform with Google Sheets, saving you time and making data collection a breeze. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital tools. Until next time, happy form making and data collecting.